Supports First National Banking only. I'm good. Thank you. See you, honey. There's the lady that supports me. We're tearing out concrete for First National Banking only. I better load the truck.
Like I said earlier, I hadn't had time to get my camera going, but this is going to be a new First National Bank building in Alney eventually, and it was an old garment factory years ago. It's a whole city block of concrete. It's going to come out. The material underneath is not very good. We're trying to figure out what we're supposed to do with it. There's their drive-through facility, and they're going to build a new bank behind it. Well, got the president of First National Bank down there, Kevin Oaks. Him and I guess him, a lady that works in the bank, and then I forget that guy's name. He's a loan officer. They're all building fence. Kevin don't know how to build fence. He's got a bunch of cows. I'm waiting on the truck to come back. Put this big footer in. It's too big to break. Should be here any minute. Loose stuff off the top here, and I can start plucking it up again. Fan favorite, Chet Greathouse. He's on one side. My son's over here watching on the other. Chet's getting back in the truck. He's going for a stroll. This concrete should break up a lot. Come up a lot better once we get on the flat going smooth and away from all the footers around the edge. We're really deep. Might have to go out and eat dinner tomorrow. We'll have to eat out of dinner bucket. Comes Chet, dump truck driver extraordinaire. He'll back up to me and I'll honk my horn when I want him to stop. He leaves himself in the mirror where he can look at me in the cab too normally. Still got the demoing the concrete at the old garment factory. So First National Bank, they're eventually going to want to build a new building here. So we're just prepping the site. I'm trying to very carefully pull this out to where I don't leave a whole bunch of concrete chips. Pull them up onto what I'm doing, and then I make sure I get all the concrete so it don't give a mess. Concrete will all be ground up, recycled and ground up. Then people will use it for driveways, fill under building pads and stuff. It's pretty good stuff. It's considered kind of like road pack once it's ground up. It's kind of got a lot of fines in it. Still scooping concrete. About to get to another truck full, and then I'm gonna have another one probably show up about as soon as he pulls out, or a little before. A lot of concrete out here. There's the other truck coming around the corner. Works out real good. They're hauling the concrete about probably 2.5, 3 miles away. That one goes, and the other one comes and replaces it. Still gloomy out. I'm really kind of hoping that it would be sunny today, but it's starting to clear off. This load concreting takes longer to load a truck concrete than it does with dirt. Yeah, made it to the back corner of the building today, digging out the footer. It's got a whole bunch of brick and block, and it's a real mess. Can't sort it. I can pull the concrete off the top, I can get the footer off the bottom. I can't do anything with the mess in between. It's half dirt, half junk. So I'm just loading it up, and I guess we'll just dispose of it. Right there. Put the footers in the bottom, that way they don't lay in kind of flat that way. This building must have been added onto a bunch of times. It's got footers in spots I wasn't expecting, actually. I was expecting a lot of pillars and stuff like that, but you know, I have had some of those. But I built this one to last.